Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how can we fix Gmail notifications not showing up on status bar. See here, this is the status bar, and if I receive any mail, there should be something like Gmail icon, app symbol should be appear here. So if you are not receiving such notifications on the status bar, let us see how we can fix them or make them appear from now on. So this issue may be on latest versions of Android, and this mobile is Android 13. So in the previous videos, there used to be settings for the Gmail, like open Gmail app and click on these three bars at top left, and then click on settings and click on general settings and click on manage notifications and see here whether this is enabled or not. If it is disabled, just enable it and tap on this banner. This is very important. Make sure this banner is enabled. And yes, that's it from here. And yeah, and for individual mail, tap on that. These are all the three mails which are on this mobile, and tap on the mail and disable this, set to silent. What this option will do is, this option will exclude Gmail notifications on the status bar. See here, a lock screen or in the status bar, silent notifications will not be shown on the status bar. So if it is enabled, just disable this and allow notifications when do not disturb mode is on. So maybe if your phone is in silent, there may be chances that Gmail notifications won't be appearing on status bar, but now I kept these settings on so that always if you receive any new mail, you will receive Gmail notification on the status bar. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And one last thing you can check in the Gmail settings is open Gmail app and click on these three dots and then settings as usual. At right top corner, click on three dots and click on manage accounts and make sure automatically sync app data is turned on. So this need to be turned on. So make sure yes, this is turned on.